Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is discrepancy. It is pronounced dis-crep-un-c and is spelt D-I-S-C-R-E-P-A-N-C-Y. Think disc, rep, and then C. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Discrepancy is a noun that means a lack of compatibility or similarity between two or more facts. It is often used to describe an inconsistency or difference between what is expected and what actually occurs. For example, you could say there was a discrepancy between the number of cookies she baked and the number left in the jar. Or the detective noticed a discrepancy in the witness's testimony. The word discrepancy comes from the Latin word discrepare, which means to sound differently. Whilst today discrepancy doesn't refer to sound, it does still mean something different. In the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Goldilocks finds a discrepancy between the sizes of the porridge bowls, chairs, and beds, highlighting the differences between the bears. She tries out all their chairs, beds, and porridge until she finds the one that's just right. Synonyms for discrepancy include inconsistency, difference, disagreement, and divergence. Antonyms for discrepancy include agreement, consistency, and conformity. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, discrepancy. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.